Okay, hi. I'm going to be showing you my virtual assistant that I made called Rachel. Made it in Python. Made it because I saw Iron Man and I wanted my own Jarvis. So yeah, let's get into the code. Now, I had some big problems with this because obviously a virtual assistant, you want to talk to it. And normally you do this through a thing called speech recognition. It's a module that you can get. Now, I think it was made for Linux because, well, it needs a thing called Pi Audio, and Pi Audio can't download because it needs a thing called V.C.V.A.R.S.H.E.A.L or .deal or whatever. And I've looked so hard and I couldn't find it. So, what I did is I made my own little thing. So I've got a get command, my command here thing, and basically what this does is it opens a port on my computer by running a batch file, and then I can connect to it through my phone terminal over here. And what because this is an iPhone, it comes with the little speech recognition thing, and what it does is it will actually type in what I say. Now, because it's an open port, when I connect, everything that gets put in here will immediately come up, so I don't need to press enter or anything, which was my problem before. So I downloaded like a speech type of thing on here, and I needed to click enter every time, so it wasn't working, and it couldn't go into the terminal. So, connect to there, use the speech recognition on the phone to type into the port. This will get the information taken from the port. Actually, no, it gets written into a file, goes into the file, takes that out, puts it into a list, and then scans everything for, whatever our requests are. So, when you turn it on, it will see what time of day it is and say either good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. And the first thing it will do is it will check if there's a reminder, because you can set reminders for a certain time. So what it will do is it will check the time, see if there's a reminder for that time, and if so, it will send it, or because it can also send it via email. So say if you want to do something while you're at school, send it via email. This will automatically send you an email and remind you whatever you want reminding. Now we've also got quite a few other things here. We've got open, a few things. We've got emails. We can email people. We got just this line thing. So if it detects that there's the word up in there, or what's up, or how are you, then it will say that. It fetches a joke from a website using requests. It can create files, delete files, encrypt files, decrypt files. It can activate manual control, so you just type it in. You can set reminders. You can also remind other people, so you can create AI. So what I did is at the bottom of here, if you say something that's not in here, it will ask you to put in what you want it to say, and then that saves it as a file which is named whatever you said. To say if you say, I don't know, are you cool? And it obviously doesn't know what that is. You type in yes you are for what it should say, and then it will save a file named am I cool? So then next time you say that, it will search to see if that file exists, and if it does, it will read the contents and say whatever you wanted it to say. And basically, I've got that as an auto thing, so if you want to make a new one of these using only that script, it basically just copies a bunch of scripts and anything, yeah. And then that's all the learning stuff where it can do. And then up here, I think I missed, is it searches Wikipedia and Wolfram for any questions you have. So if you say, what's this? Who's this person? It'll search the internet, come back and give you a result. Okay, so let's try it out. So if we run it, it should open the port and say hello or something along those lines.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yeah. So now if we connect to the port through my phone and run the speech recognition, hello Rachel, then that types it in, that reads it.
Hello, sir.
Hello, sir. So, how are you today? No, it should. Give it a second. Yeah, it's on the timer.
I am nice and full of energy.
So every 10 seconds it reads if something else is in the file. Email me hello. So this is how it can send messages and stuff. So if you check, you'll see a notification come up.
Message sent, sir.
Any second now. Unfortunately, when you're doing it through here, there you go. It's just come up that I've got an email. You have to like set your Gmail, do some things in the settings, but it's all fine. So it can now send emails to people, anyone. It can send emails to me, send me reminders. It can look things up. So if I say, tell me a joke, yeah, it will actually do a HTTP request to a joke website and pick one of the jokes randomly.
What did the Dorito farmer say to the other Dorito farmer? Cool ranch.
And picks a random joke through the HTTP request. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed. This took way too long to make. You know, if you have anything you want me to try and make or program, you know, just tell me. And see you later. Bye.